Right, X has finally given us a place to find the stuff we save. They're calling it the History tab. It's rolling out on iOS first, and honestly, it was overdue. So here's what it actually is. One tab inside the X app, four subtabs underneath, bookmarks, videos, articles, and likes. All your saved content all in one place, all sorted by today, yesterday, and so on. No more hunting through your profile. Four content types in one home. Bookmarks for the articles you swore you'd come back to. Videos for the long clips the timeline varies. Articles for half-finished long reads, and likes for everything unhinged. Which brings me to the catch. The History tab doesn't discriminate. The article you bookmark sits right next to that. 2 a.m. like you forgot about. All browsable forever. Oh, and Android users still waiting, iOS only for now. So that's the new History tab, same X, new memory for the platform,